Introducing the brand new Fiddleback Maple Violin Kit from Grizzly. A distinctive violin assembly kit tailored for musicians and woodworkers. This violin has a solid spruce face and is flanked by Fiddleback maple sides and back, giving you a beautiful base for your choice of finish. This kit includes a Borneo ironwood fingerboard, a maple neck, and a maple scroll, and includes a poplar purfling to the top for added elegance. Also included is a pure gold tree chin rest, gold tree tuning pegs, and a gold tree tailpiece. And no violin is complete without a bow and rosin. This kit comes with everything you see here, and Grizzly's step-by-step manual makes sure you build with confidence by clearly walking you through the whole assembly process. Combine your love of woodworking and music with the T33957 Fiddleback Maple Violin Kit from Grizzly. Visit grizzly.com to learn more and to get yours today. And make sure you share your builds with us on social media.